What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, guys? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome again to the Make Money Mode channel. So, on today's video, I got another website, guys. So, this is a high paying website, where you get paid just for your opinion, guys. So, a lot of researchers out there, they want you guys, your opinion and stuff. So, they're gonna pay you for your opinion, and stuff. Just imagine, guys, they're gonna give you like studies, and then gonna give them your opinion, and then just end just like that, guys. So as you can see on this website, this website is partnering with some big companies, guys. Like University of Oxford, European Commission, Google, Nage.ia. So you see, guys, these are the big company, guys. So as you can scroll down here, participants get paid to make a difference. Your opinion counts, and money no point. Be productive in your spare time. There's no pressure, guys. So join 25,000 plus researchers and 108,000 plus participants from around the world. So this website is available worldwide. So you can sign up anywhere in the world and stuff. And you need to have like a phone and a laptop, because some of them they start to require you to have like a laptop, guys. So get started when you click on here, and then you're gonna take studies, guys. So for me, I do have an account here, so I'm gonna click on login. As you can see here, this is my dashboard. I'm watching for studies and stuff. So, and then as you can see my submission here. So as you can see here, my total earn is 19 euro, guys, point 84. And this one I've taken in the morning. So yeah, guys. So to withdraw here, you need to have like a PayPal, guys. A PayPal. So this is my current balance. So because I don't want to withdraw them. Yeah. So now left with 2 euro point 40. So if you want to transfer the money, we click on here. So there's no fees, and I don't click on transfer the money. So for now I don't want to transfer it, I need to wait. Yeah. So we need to have like a PayPal, guys. So if you want to do it to me, you can hook me up on this PayPal, guys. I just to support, guys. It's not a force. If you feel like you wanna give it, and stuff. So yeah, this is my PayPal account, guys. So yeah, guys. Other than that, guys, I'll see you for the next video. Danko.